Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of Euro, USD in front of us, and Euro USD closed at 1.0573. This is the last traded price. And while recording the video on Friday, Euro USD was in recovery mode, but still we were expecting some selling opportunity around 1.0615 level, and it worked perfectly. We saw market beautifully reversing from the 50 moving average as well as the previous support acting as resistance around 1.0615, 1.0620, and our sell position worked very well. If you look at the overall trend of Euro USD, then still we can see the market is severely in downtrend. Sellers are dominating. Market structure is very bearish. So as a result, following the trend of the market, respecting the trend of the market, taking a sell position is always the safer thing to do here. So sell on rise or sell at resistance that we have been discussing for the last few days is still the best strategy in this type of market. So my dear friends, if we look at the chart of weekly chart of Euro USD, then we can see that Euro USD is trying to take support around the weekly pivot level. Okay, now I'm just going to a different track. Okay, so it may be a little bit confusing, but try to understand my point here. Overall, the market is in downtrend, there is no doubt about it. Okay, but on the weekly chart, we can see that Euro USD is standing at a weekly pivot level, and somewhat it is trying to take support also. Okay, so this level will be very important. After all, this is a technical level, and technical levels are not permanent. Market sentiment is above all, and right now the market sentiment is extremely bearish. So if the same market sentiment continues, then obviously Euro USD will break this level. Okay, but if there is a recovery on the market sentiment, especially at the time of NFP, if we see that there is a trend reversal on USD, US dollar, then there is a possibility of a trend reversal from here. So next week will be very important for Euro USD. So because if Euro USD really wants to go for recovery, then this can be a very decisive zone, or otherwise if Euro USD breaks this level, okay, and the market sentiment is still very bearish by next week also, then obviously further downside is very much possible. So let's wait and watch. Next week will be very important for all the USD pairs. Now let's look at the Forex chart. So NFP obviously, okay, not coming on Monday, so we need to follow the trend of the market here. And as we all know, during the first half of Monday, there is not much volatility. Market prefers to stay silent. So if market opens on a lower note, market doesn't show much volatility, then respecting the volatility of the market, you can look for a sell position again around this area, 1.0615 to 1.0625. so this will be the selling opportunity again, considering the volatility of the market, because for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. In absence of volume, market cannot go for a breakout. So if market behaves like a typical Monday market and market shows upside on Monday, we can expect a reversal from here. Not a complete reversal, okay, if the market is slow, but at least you can look for a quick selling opportunity around 1.0615, 1.0625. So volatility will be important. But on the other hand, market shows good amount of recovery with normal candles, then this will not work. Then your selling opportunity will be around 1.0660 to 1.0670. You can see here around 1.066070 we have the previous resistance as well as we have the 100 moving average. So if we combine both the factors here, we have sellers around this area also. So if market goes up, if market hits the level, simply switch to a lower time frame, 50 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, just to observe the market behavior. If you see that market is reversing, market is showing price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that yes, sellers are present and you can look for a sell position. Confirmation on Forex time frame will be very slow. You may also miss the opportunity. So analysis on higher time frame is very important for the stability purpose. But for entry purpose, okay, lower time frame is always better. So in this case, considering the trend of the market, we will be looking for sell opportunities 1.0615, 1.0625, may work if the volatility of the market is low. Otherwise, our eyes should be on 1.0660, 1.0670. And in addition to that, if I draw Fibor from the top to the bottom, then I can see that we also have additional confirmation from Fibor 0.236. So this level is really important. And right now the market sentiment is bearish. So sell on rise is the best trading strategy that we can follow. And on the other hand, if you see market going down, then I won't suggest you any buy position here, because the problem is that the market is heavily under the influence of sellers. If market goes down and hits 1.0485 level, then you can observe the market again, because on the weekly chart we saw that market is trying to take support around a weekly pivot level. So there is a possibility that market may go for a quick bounce. I'm not saying that there will be a trend reversal from this level, but at least if you see the market is trying to take support, at least you can, as a day trader, you can take some risk. But if you're a swing trader, try to follow the overall trend of the market. Do not go for quick selling and quick entry positions. Okay, but otherwise, okay, following the trend of the market is very important right now, and next week will be very important. But before the major event, obviously respecting the trend of the market is extremely important. Otherwise, you will be out of the market. Okay, so if you're already holding a sell position, be on the trade, enjoy the ride. Hopefully you made a massive profit. But if you're holding a buy position on the chart of EURUSD, then my dear friend, there is a possibility of further downside on the chart of EURUSD. If market goes down, try to exit from the buy position, try to save the rest of the capital. Sometimes we think that how can I close my position, I will lose so much, but we forget that if you do not exit at the right moment, we will lose all the capital. My dear friend, respect your capital. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And similar to EURUSD, we have a very much bearish GBPUSD chart. And on the chart of GBPUSD also, the 50 moving average worked perfectly. So on Monday, observe the market behavior first after the market opening. If you already have a sell position on GBPUSD, be on the trade, enjoy the ride, further downside possible. And if you're holding a buy position and hoping for a reversal, praying to God, then my dear friend, it's time to save your capital, respect your hard-earned money. If market goes up for retracement, recovery, try to exit at recovery or retracement. Because if market goes down again, there's a high chance that you will lose your capital. Okay, because the sentiment of the market is still very much towards the downside and there is no denial. Okay, if you look at the chart of dollar index, yes, this is the chart of DXY. We can see that DXY is beautifully in uptrend, and for a trend reversal we need a big news, and right now we don't have any news that will bring a trend reversal. NFP may bring, but as of now NFP is not there yet. Till NFP, there is a possibility that market may continue the upside. So on Monday, if market continues the upside, then obviously there will be pressure on the charts of GBPUSD and EURUSD, because this market is bullish both fundamentally and technically. Where is GBPUSD? Yes, there it is. So on Monday, after the market opening, if you see GBPUSD going up again, now listen to me. Okay, if you see GBPUSD going up again, observe the market around the previous high here, around 1.2268. This was the previous high. Observe the market behavior. If on Monday, if market acts like a typical Monday market, then obviously there will be very low volatility. And if market reverses from here, you can look for a sell position. As I said on the chart of EURUSD, simply switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes to observe the market. If you see price rejection from above, market struggling around this area, you can look for a quick sell position. But if you're a beginner, you're looking for solid levels to trade, then you need to wait for the next selling opportunity around 1.2350 to 1.2360. This is the best selling opportunity on the chart of GBPUSD right now. You can see I have already drawn FIBO here, FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, we also have the 100 moving average around the area. And as the trend of the market is towards the downside, just like euro dollar, sell on rise is also the same, is the best and the safe trading strategy we should be following here. And if you're wondering about support level, my dear friend, the same thing here applicable, that we don't have any immediate support on the chart of GBPUSD. Usually the previous low act as support, but in this case the previous low will not be acting as support because of the market sentiment. Market sentiment is above all, and you can see the market sentiment is taking the market down. If the volatility of the market is low, example, if you see the market is going down right after market opening, and if the volatility of the market is very low, in that case you can expect the market to go for a quick bounce around 1.2100, but not a complete trend reversal. You need to understand the relation between market sentiment and technicals. You cannot trade completely on the basis of technicals, and you cannot trade completely on the basis of fundamentals. Okay, you need to understand, you need to know when to trust the technicals, how to use the technicals along with fundamentals, or how to use the fundamentals along with technicals. Okay, so you need to know how to maintain the relation. Okay, it's like husband and wife. Okay, so if market goes down and with low volatility, market will not be able to break the level. In that case, you can look for a quick buy, but not a complete trend reversal. And otherwise, respecting the trend of the market, sell on rise is the best trading strategy we should be following. My dear friends, if you are not happy with your current Forex broker, looking for a better option facing withdrawal and deposit issues, then GTC Global Trade Capital is the solution for you. For all these years, I have been looking for a Forex broker who solve all the problem. And GTC may not be a very popular name like IC Market, 8cap, Paperstone, but trust me guys, if we compare, then GTC is the best solution for traders like you and me. There are many reasons. You just go to the website and you'll find all the information. I do not want to explain here and bore you, but trust me guys, GTC is a regulated broker. You'll find all the information about the regulation, and the best part is that your capital is also protected. You don't need to worry about broker running away with your hard-earned money. Okay, you can see the compensation of fund is there. Personally, I like GTC because of few reasons. Number one reason is that they do not manipulate the market like other brokers. Probably you guys have faced the problem that after taking a position or when you are holding a position, sometimes at night you see that there's a sudden spike in the market, and that happens because the broker hunt down the stop losses. Sometimes we think, or most of the time we think, that we are retail traders, we are trading against the institutions, but in reality our broker is standing against us. Okay, so in GTC you don't face the problem. It's a regulated broker. You can see your capital is also covered. There multilingual support, and the best part is that you can trade at the time of news. Probably you have faced the problem of slippage at the time of news. Your stop loss doesn't work at the time of news. In GTC you will not face the problem, and this is a big thing. Okay, those who love to trade at the time of news, they know what is the importance of slippage. So my dear friends, if you're looking for a solution, then yes, GTC is the best solution that we have right now. Usually they provide a leverage of 1:500, but if you open your account through my link, my referral link, then you will get a leverage of 1:2000. And most importantly, if you face any problem with the broker, then you don't need to worry about the customer support, because I'll be able to help you out. Okay, because these brokers are offshore brokers, they are located in different nations, different countries. So as a result, if something happens also, we are totally dependent on the customer support. So here you don't need to worry. Yes, the customer support is very, very good, but apart from that, I will also be able to help you out if you open your account through my referral. The link is in the description. Trust me guys, GTC is the best solution we have.